In this video, I will show you how to create WeChat account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, if you've not already done so, you want to open up the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and go ahead and search for WeChat, and basically you want to come across the app page and install this onto your device. Once WeChat has installed, go ahead and open up the app on your device. So when you first open up WeChat, you're going to get a screen like this with two options at the bottom, login or sign up. So what you're going to want to do is press onto the sign up button in the bottom right hand corner. And what you can then do is choose whether to sign up via mobile or via Facebook. So in this tutorial, we're going to go for mobile. So I'm going to select that option. And what you need to do is just enter some details. So you just want to put your name into here, and then go ahead and enter your phone number with the country code. Once that's done, make sure to enter a password in the password box. And then go ahead and press the little button underneath which says I have read and accept the WeChat terms of service. So just go ahead and press that to accept. Then all you need to do is press the green sign up button at the bottom. So after doing that, it's going to take you to this screen with the WeChat privacy protection summary. What you're going to want to do is just read through this and then press next at the bottom. Then it's going to give you a quick introduction with the privacy policy. So just come down and press the box down here to say you've read and accept the above terms, and then press the green next button at the bottom. After a minute or two, what it's going to do is set up your account, and for security verification, in order to protect WeChat from spammers, this registration requires further verification to prove you are a human. So you want to press the authenticate button to prove that you are a human. And then what you need to do is go ahead and complete the on-screen verification, just like so. Once that's done, it's going to ask you to select a security verification method. So you can verify via payment card, QR scan by another user, or you can verify and activate something called Wax in Pay. So what I'm going to do is choose to verify by payment card. Now, a temporary charge of US $1 may be deducted and will be refunded after verification. So now what you need to do is enter your details if you're doing it this way, and then go ahead and press next at the bottom. After a minute, you're going to get a confirmation saying verified, and then you just want to press continue to register at the bottom. So what's going to happen next is a verification code is going to be sent to the number that you've registered with. So you want to check your device. If after a minute you've not received a verification code, you're going to see a link underneath which says no verification code received, which means you can go ahead and request a new one. However, what you're going to want to do once you've put the verification code in is go ahead and press the next button underneath. And then what you can do is add a name and profile photo so friends can recognize you. So I've just added a name, and you can add a profile photo as well if you want to, just by pressing this little camera picture up here. And once that's done, press the green sign up button. So now there's just a bit of personal information to complete. So you just want to go ahead and enter your date of birth, and then press next at the bottom. And then it's going to say submitted successfully. And once that's done, you'll be taken back to this screen where you can just go ahead, press login, and log in with your account. So you can choose to log in with a password if you have created a password. Alternatively, what you can do is have an SMS code sent to the mobile number. So you just want to enter that and then press login at the bottom. Then it's going to come up with a consent page. So you just want to read through this and then press next at the bottom. And once that's done, as you can see, we are now in WeChat and we have created our account. So that is how to create WeChat account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.